everyone, welcome and welcome back. I am Paridhi. So friends, today I have prepared another storytelling video in which I will narrate a story which will enhance your listening skills. I like this story a lot and I am sure it will fascinate you all too. It is really intriguing and fascinating. So this story is about a little girl named Anna who wants to have a garden of her own. There is no space for one in their small apartment. But somehow she manages to grow one. Let's find out how. So let's dive into the video. Once upon a time, in a bustling city filled with skyscrapers, there lived a girl named Anna. Anna loved plants. She wanted to have a garden of her own, but there was no space for one in their tiny apartment. One day, Anna's grandmother came to visit her. She brought with her a shiny seed that sparkled in the sunlight. Anna, her grandmother said with a smile, "This is a magic seed. It can grow anywhere, even in the busiest of places." Excited, Anna took the seed and immediately planted it in a pot kept on the windowsill. She watered it and sang to it every day, hoping it would grow. But days turned into weeks and nothing happened. Anna started to feel a little bit disappointed. One evening, as Anna was feeling down, she heard a gentle tapping on the window. It was a little sparrow chirping happily. Anna gave some breadcrumbs for the sparrow to eat. The next day, the sparrow returned with a friend, and soon Anna was visited by a whole flock of birds who came to her window every day. Inspired by the birds, Anna decided to brighten up her little windowsill garden. She painted colorful pictures on rocks and placed them around the pot. She even hung tiny wind chimes that tinkled in the breeze, attracting more birds than even some curious neighbors who stopped by to admire Anna's creativity. One morning, Anna woke up to find a tiny green shoot pushing its way out of the soil. She gasped in delight as the magic seed had finally sprouted. Day by day, Anna would watch and wonder as the plant grew taller and stronger, its leaves unfurling like green sails in the wind. Before long, Anna's windowsill was transformed into a lush green oasis in the midst of the city. People passing by would pause to admire the beauty and ask Anna, how did she manage to grow such a beautiful garden in a small apartment? Anna would simply smile and tell them about the magic seed her grandmother had given her. Seasons changed, and Anna's garden continued to thrive. It became a sanctuary not just for birds and butterflies, but also for Anna herself. She learned that with love, patience, and a little bit of magic, anything is possible, even turning a small windowsill into a place of beauty and joy. So friends, the story of the magic seed teaches us that in the smallest seeds of love and hope can turn into something extraordinary. Whether it is caring for a plant, helping a friend in need, or simply spreading joy wherever we go, each one of us has the power to make our world a little brighter, one seed at a time. So this was the story. I know it was a really captivating and fascinating story, right? So now it's question time. The question for today is, what did Anna do to brighten up her little windowsill garden? Please let me know your answer in the comment section. So friends, this was all for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed today's story. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun and learning videos. Please don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get a notification whenever I post a new video. Bye bye everyone and keep learning.